Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Blender, and I will show today two ways how can we do the glass in Blender. So this is a scene I did. I have a sphere and some object before which is not transparent. Okay. Now let's see. I'm choosing this object by clicking on it, and I have to go to shading. This is a shading, and I will add new material. Let us see. Okay, let's go to our principal BSDF node, and what I will do, I'll do some changes in this parameter. So like a base color, I will choose very light one. Okay, then I'm going to specular and changing it to 0.3. Roughness, let it be like 0.001, and the transmission, let it be like 0.5 or maybe 8. Yeah. Okay, and now let us see what do we have. I'm going to render properties, and I'm changing the render engine to cycles, and let us see what do we have. I think it works. Let's maybe do transmission 1. Yeah, I think it will be better. It was good, and let's see the second way. So I'm going back, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. I choose the plane, I'm adding new material, and I am changing the BSDF node from principled. I'm choosing it and deleting it. Shift A, I'm adding shader, click on it, and in this list I'm finding glass BSDF. Okay. Left click of my mouse, it's here, and I'm connecting BSDF with surface in material. Now color, do something light, and roughness, let it be 0.001. And let us see now. The same thing, go to render properties and changing the engine to cycles. These are two ways, and you can choose which is better for you. I prefer the second one with glass BSDF node. That's it. Thank you for staying with me, and hope to see you soon. Bye.